Hi everybody, this is Sandra from Sandra Flower Design. Today I will be showing you how I prune and take care of my tree form hydrangea, which is about 4 years old. It is not grafted as I have made it myself from regular shrub type hortensia paniculata, polar bear. Hydrangeas are very easy to grow flowering shrubs with perfect long-lasting blooms. It really does not need much from us except a good pruning job after the freezing period is over. And let's not forget a good portion of slow release fertilizer. There is no deadheading during the blooming season, just enjoying its beauty. So here is how I prune my standard hortensia every spring. Let me first stand back and estimate the plant and the overall shape I will go for. Then I will be removing around a third of the branches. Some of them have still blooms from last year. I will find very strong, healthy set of buds and cut above them. And I will be also cutting out all crossing branches to avoid rubbing, which very much increases potential wounds and then diseases. I will be also thinning them to make enough space between the branches to have a good airflow. So here we go. Next branch. Find the strong buds and cut above them. Take out unnecessary weak branches. Cut out any crossing branches to avoid the rubbing. Shorten the branches to the next strong sets of buds and keep in mind that you are going for overall lollipop shape. I have a new branch growing in a place where it's needed, and I will just trim it to the next strongest buds. And here we have a situation where there are too many branches close to each other. So let's cut out some of them and make more space for airflow and of course shorten it to the desired length. This branch would definitely with time be rubbing the other branches, so let's take it out. And this branch, it looks like it is dry, so yes, it is. Let's take it out. And now after we have pruned out all the crossing and the dead branches and thinned it out, we can go back and fix the length so it is as we want to have it. I would love to thank you for watching my video. I hope it will make you more confident. And just remember, panicle hydrangeas are very resilient and will try to bloom annually regardless of your unexperienced or experienced pruning. So enjoy the beautiful blooms and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.